Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, UDoIt. In this video, we're going to replace our water filter. This is a Frigidaire, and this is the Frigidaire Source Ultra, Pure Source Ultra filter, and the actual model number is Ultra WF, ULTRAWF. And these filters, I've only used the original filters in this refrigerator. So to do it, it's quite simple. Now it's the top middle is where the filter is located, above the Cool Whip. So you just push it in, literally push it in and pull it out. And there you go, that's the old filter. And then you have the new filter that comes with caps. You want to make sure that the caps don't show any signs of moisture. You want to make sure you have a new water filter and not a old one. And you can see that there's the key there. So you push that in, make sure you remove both caps. And then key goes upwards this way. And we just push it in. There you go. That's simple. Then you want to get yourself a pitcher. The reason why I'm using this is because if you use a glass, there's going to be a lot of air in the line and water will get everywhere. So as you can see, it's going to start popping out very fast like that. It even moves the pitcher in my hand. So you want to hold the pitcher tightly. And you can see that the water is cloudy. Water's cloudy mostly because of air in the line, but I can imagine that some of the problem would also, or I can imagine that some of the cloudiness might come from particulates that are in the filter media. So I'll run through this process 3 times. By the 3rd time, it'll be clear. And then the other thing you want to do, you can see you got the water filter setting there. So you want to change that water filter setting. So go to options, click on options. I'll scroll down to water filter. And you want to press and hold that. There you go. Now our water filter is good. So the water filter is good, but that indicator just lets me know when to change it, and it signals after 6 months. We let it go for an extended period. Now you can see that the water is a little bit clearer. Now it's very clear. I'm satisfied with this actually. So we'll just let it fill up the pitcher. And this is the 3rd time. This is why I say do it 3 times if you have a 2-quart pitcher. And as you use it, it'll get clearer and clearer as the air and the particulates come out. And these filters are very helpful. Our water tends to be slightly on the rusty side, and using the water from the fridge, you don't see any of that. Okay, so now we'll give it a drink. There you go. So not perfectly clear, but it will be. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nah, it's good. All right, so there you go. Real easy to replace the filter. Just pop the old one out, put the new one in, and run the water through and reset your interface's message to replace the filter. So thanks.
You even eat that. Bring it to you, boy. I promise you gon' see a big strap. You gon' get your wig snatched. Promise it's a mismatch.